Hey, are you in sales? Do you work with potential clients to solve problems in the marketplace, to bring your products and services out to get agreement? Look, if so, stick around at the end of the video. Today, I'm going to share a technique that I call the cycle of motivation. This is a phenomenal technique to keep in mind every time you're working with a potential buyer, no matter what industry you're in. So let's kind of start with what the cycle of motivation is. I want you to think about a clock, okay? And the cycle of motivation consists of 4 key points. The first key point would be at the top, or the 12 o'clock spot of that clock. And that is a problem. We know that all buyers have some type of problem that they need to have solved, all right? So when using the cycle of motivation, it's always important to know that there's a problem that exists. But if you move around to the 3 o'clock position on this clock in the cycle of motivation, you want to write down the word awareness. See, even though a problem exists, your buyer may not be aware of the real problem that needs to be solved. So when using the cycle of motivation, creating awareness by asking questions, by pointing out information and data that's relevant to actually identifying that problem is key. So always consider awareness when using the cycle of motivation. If you come around to the 6 o'clock spot, you need to write the word trauma, okay? Look, we know that to motivate a buyer, not only do we have to have awareness, but we also have to create pain of what could happen if the problem is not solved. Hey, look, by doing nothing, you're not going to solve the problem. But also by doing nothing, the problem typically gets worse. And that's why using trauma in your presentation, sharing with your buyer what could happen if they do not make a decision, they do not move forward, they do not solve the problem that they're now aware of, all right, could potentially cost them from a revenue standpoint, from a comfort standpoint, from a future gain standpoint. And also under trauma, you can write the word hope of gain. See, hope of gain or fear of loss is what moves any buyer to go to the next level. If you move around to the 9 o'clock spot on that circle, we're going to have the word solution. See, this is the final part of your cycle of motivation. Hey, you cannot provide a solution that makes sense to your buyer until that problem has been brought up, made aware to your buyer. You've provided trauma, hope of gain, as well as trauma, what could happen if you don't. And now you're ready to present your solution, show your return on investment. Hey guys, keeping the cycle of motivation in mind when working with your clients is always going to help you to flow through your selling process to get to the close. Just remember this, the cycle of motivation always starts with the problem, moves to awareness, got to create awareness, moves to trauma and hope of gain, and then you can provide your solution. Hey guys, I hope using this cycle of motivation helps you close more deals, helps you to work with your staff, to become more aware when you are working with the buyer. And ultimately, I hope you can help more customers and get your product pushed in the marketplace. Look guys, my name's Andrew Hale. I work with companies to recruit high-level sales reps, marketing agents, and operations agents. Also work with businesses to deliver lead generation services, not just online services, guys, but face-to-face, boots on the ground lead generation services and call center services. And I also help with setting up sales training systems and processes that will help your team go to the next level. Hey, if you've liked the video, hit that subscribe button on YouTube, guys. Hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Also, share this with the business owner, with the salesperson, with the manager, a marketer, that this may help, okay? And look, if you didn't like the video, that's okay too. Leave me a comment below, guys. Just leave me a comment down below. Let me know how I can help you more on the next video. And guys, again, remember, the cycle of motivation is key. There's always a problem. You've got to bring awareness. You've got to bring trauma and hope of gain to be able to ultimately provide that fourth part, which is your solution. Hey guys, again, my name's Andrew Hale. Check me out at andrewhalesales.com. Hit that subscribe button, guys, and have a fantastic afternoon.